now that I'm done taking pictures, I can have some Coke. I'm not sponsored by them. I wish I was. I need to enjoy this because in a couple weeks, I can't drink this anymore. Hey guys, what's up? So today I'm doing a makeup tutorial, and this is mostly drugstore, except for the lashes, because the lashes are PUR cosmetic lashes, and I kind of didn't think when it came to the lashes, but everything else is super affordable. It's drugstore makeup all over my face. And yes, I consider Morphe drugstore, even though you can find it at Ulta. I consider it drugstore. So I hope you guys really enjoy this makeup look and this tutorial. I did this makeup look on my Instagram a couple of weeks ago. You guys seem to like it, so I decided to do a tutorial. Give me a thumbs up if you do like it. Also, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you are notified of all my future videos. And yeah, I think that's just about it. Let's get started. All right, so the first thing is get that hair out of your face, do your eyebrows, and let's get started with primer. So this is the coconut water primer. I love this primer. It's really hydrating and it helps foundation stick. And then I'm going to use the Revolution Fast Base Foundation. I'm using F8 in the center of my face and then F10 around the outside. And I'm just going to blend that all in with a Morphe brush. Then I'm going to mix these two. This is a Flower Light Illusion Concealer and the Revolution Concealer. I love mixing these two together. I think they come out beautiful and they really cover up everything that I need to be covered up. Then I'm going to set the under eyes with the RCMA No Color Powder, but I'm not going to set the rest of the face just yet because I'm going in with these Illuminating Skin Enhancers from LA Colors. These are fairly new, and I'm using the Sun Goddess one as a bronzer, and it's so gorgeous. It blends out like a dream. I absolutely love these. And then I'm using the Liquid Gold as a highlight. Absolutely beautiful. Blends great with a finger, great with a brush. I just absolutely love these. Then I'm going to lightly set the rest of my face with the e.l.f. Finishing Powder in Light Medium. This is just perfect. Just a light brush of this all over the face just helps set the foundation and prepare it for powder. And then I'm just going to lightly bronze with the Butter Bronzer. More contour than bronze because I'm just going on the very hollows of my cheeks, just super lightly, and underneath the neck, like underneath my chin, just to give me some shape there. And then for the blush, this is the LA Girl blush in Just Peachy. I love these blushes. They're absolutely amazing and they're super affordable. Then for a highlight, I'm just gonna lightly go on top of that because I feel like that highlight I used before was enough. But this is just the Milani Strobelight. I'm just going in the very tops of my cheekbones. And then we're going straight into the eyes with the Morphe Jaclyn Hill palette, and I'm using this color, this light caramel color, in the crease, and then I'm going to go ahead and highlight underneath the brow. Now I'm using these two teal shades, the shimmery one and the more matte one. I'm mixing them together and I am putting them all over the lid, and I'm kind of going past my crease so that I make my eyelid look a little bit bigger. And then in the inner corners, I'm going with a light kind of lilac-y shimmery color. Then back in the crease with that yellow and the more caramel color. That's basically what I'm doing for this whole look. And I'm really gonna blend, really gonna pack it on. And then I'm just going to make sure that the crease is accentuated with a darker brown. And that's basically it. This look is so incredibly easy, but is so wearable. I'm just going back in with those same colors, putting them in the lower lash line. I'm going to go in with that same dark brown and putting it really close to the lash line. And yeah. Then I'm so sorry. I used these PUR Bombshell lashes. This is not the Drugstore lashes. I don't know what I was thinking. I kind of like had a brain fart. But then I'm going on to the lips. So I'm using the Essence lip liner in the Nude. This is one of my favorite nude lip liners of all time. Just even though it's a sharpener one, like you have to sharpen, it's still really good and smooth. And then on top of that, the Revolution Liquid Lipstick in Stripped. I'm gonna go buy more of these liquid lipsticks. They're absolutely amazing and super affordable. And then of course I'm putting the liquid Catsuit in Nudist Peach right on top of that. Then I'm gonna spray my whole face with this Essence setting spray, and that's basically it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys really liked this look. I really think besides the lashes, it's really, really wearable and affordable. I don't think that you have to shy away from color. You can definitely wear color in a wearable way from a day-to-day kind of basis when you pair up really neutral colors with your pop of color. And I think this is really wearable. I think you could definitely pull it off and it looks really beautiful and gorgeous, and it makes your eyes kind of pop. So if you guys do try it out, don't forget to tag me on Instagram and Twitter and Facebook. All my social media links are down below. But yeah, don't forget to tag me. I would love to see if you guys recreate this look. I guess that's about it. I guess I will see you guys later.